So yes guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I am here to improve my English, and if you new in this channel, my name is Aryan Singh and I am just practicing English. I just wanna be fluent in English, and the only goal is to mine is you have to do same as I can do it, and I am on the way to learn English. So please do it. Open your camera, speak about something, take one topic and speak about something. If you're not comfortable in camera, stand in front of mirror, you have to speak. The only way to learn English by speaking. Okay, so yes, today I'm gonna tell about 3 habits that change your life. So I'm gonna speak about 3 habits that change your life properly. So the first step is to wake up in the early. So many people didn't wake up in early morning. So if you wake up in early morning, you will look fresh, you will fresh, had your healthy breakfast, so that change your schedule. You have to do your main work early in the morning. So this is the first step you have to do, is wake up in early in the morning. There is a lot of benefit for waking up in early in the morning, because you will get extra hours. Let's take an example. If I am waking up at 10 a.m. o'clock and you are waking up 5 a.m. o'clock, so the difference between the time, you will get extra time for your work. So this is the first benefit that change your life, one of them. And the second step is to that change your life, I think so, be in shape, be consistent at your work, keep motivated at your work, in your work. Whatever you are doing in your life, you have to just stay calm, stay hard, keep doing your work. That is the only thing you will be able to change your life properly. Okay, so these are the 2 topics which I covered that change your life. One is waking up early in the morning. Second is stay motivated, stay hard, or keep doing your work. And the third is to keep healthy, be happy. Yeah, that's simple. See, in your hand, you will change your life or not. Totally it's depend upon you. Literally I'm telling you, no one will able to change your life, okay? You have the only power. You have to change your life properly. You have to just do it, your work on your time, keep eat healthy, do your work, be kind, be happy. That's all thing you need in your life. You have to change your life. So I am on my way. I wake up early in the morning, I do my best work early in the morning, so I will feel relaxed for rest of the day. I just finished my workout at my gym, as you can see, and I thought let's take a video. It's a day 14 of learning English. Yes, I am telling you again, language, it's a language. English is a language. You not learn about just avoiding speak. The only way to learn English is you have to speak yourself. Whenever you want to speak, let's speak. Because if you won't speak, you will not able to you are not able to learn English. Because please, I'm telling you, you have to go on my first of video. You will find a huge difference between now and till. Because in few years ago, I am not able to text in a paragraph. I am not able to speak properly, and this is the time I am able to speak about some topic, something on topic, and continuously. That is the biggest thing I have learned in English while speaking. Is I am able to now speak continuously about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's a huge difference. You can see, and I am really happy I am able to speak about something, and that is my only goal is to learn English while speaking to you. First step is learn English while speaking to you. Just speak. After that we will see what happened in the next what we gonna schedule in our learning English, what the next step to learn English. But please, I am telling you, my brother, my sister, please speak. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, you have to open your camera and stand in front of mirror. You have to do it, boys, because you know it's a language. So literally, I am telling you, please do it, bro. No one will do it for you. English, because you know, if you are living in city like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, you are judged by your English. Literally, I am telling you, if I am going to job, if I am going to college, if another person is speaking English while speaking to me and I am answering in Hindi, it's a really disrespect for me, and it's really decrease my value indirectly. So this is the thing why I'm going to learn English, because if anyone asks, anyone talk with me in English, so I will be able to reply them in English. So that is the thing. That's the thing, guys. Yes, I'm going back to my home. I'm feeling tired a little bit. So yeah, that's it for the day. It's a day 13 of learning English, maybe a 14 or 15. So subscribe the channel. You will learn more with me, guys. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next one.